Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. This morning we're going to make some banana oatmeal muffin cups. They're supposed to be nutritious, but yeah, we're going to make those because I didn't want to make nothing else for breakfast, so this is going to be more like a brunch by the time it gets done. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, first things first, put on the oven, 350. It's a real simple recipe. Uh, Oatmeal, 3 cups of oatmeal, 2 eggs beaten, one, 2 bananas mashed up, 1 cup, half a cup of almond milk that we happen to have, 1 teaspoon of kosher sea salt here, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're going to give a little shake of nutmeg in there. And in the back there, I got some chocolate chips I'm going to put on top. That's just a mixing bowl. We're going to mix the wet and then dump it into the dry. And oh yeah, I forgot my favorite little working thing here, my muffin cups, silicone muffin cups. I'm probably going to switch the bowls around. So we're going to mix all the wet stuff first. I'll put my egg in there first just to get it out of the way. Remember, that's 2 eggs that I beat up. Yeah, big bad guy beat up 2 eggs. Okay, here's my almond milk, half a cup. Let me get my my spatula. All that together. That came out pretty good, huh? One cup was about 2 little medium bananas, I guess you'd say. I'm just going to mix this up. Goes together pretty quick. Okay. Then we're going to mix, since this is all dry stuff, I'm just going to mix all my baking powder here. Let me just while I'm thinking about it, we'll just do it with one of these. Get me a little whisk here. I'll do that. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. You know, cinnamon always looks like a ton. I think because it's so powdery, I don't know. And then mix this around a little bit. Then your salt. That's sea salt, kosher sea salt I'm putting in there. Okay, and we're going to give us a little pinch of nutmeg, so we're going to give it a couple dashes here. Nutmeg, give it like a nutty flavor, huh? All right. Now you can, if you want, you can put some of your chocolate chip things in here, or you can just leave them out and just top them. So I think we'll just top these, I think. Okay, now we're going to mix the egg mixture with the banana and the milk. Now you could use regular milk for this if you want. We just happen to have some almond milk that I wanted to try in this recipe, but now this here recipe I got from that Clean and Delicious, or Clean, I forget what it is, but that's her name's Danny again. That's the same one. I have another recipe or two that I'm going to try that she did I liked. So it's just letting you know that this wasn't me. You guys, oh, we knew that anyway. I've made a plenty of my own little things, but this here, this is not me. All right, let me finish mixing this up. Okay, as you can see, I was overruled by a passerby. So we added a few chocolate chips. My bad. Still gonna put some on top. Okay, so now, bring this over here. Get us a spoon. And again, I'm not gonna, when I first do these, I'm not loading them all the way up. I just wanna make sure I have enough for all of them first, or see how that works out. All right, let me fill these up and we'll be back. Okay, I filled all my muffins up, see? And I just went around, put some chocolate chips on ones that didn't have any, or you couldn't see too many on the surface, so that way they all got some chocolate chips. Okay, we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for 20, 25 minutes. Okay, here we are at the taste test table. My little friend Elmo likes it. Camera girl's busy. My dog wants a bite. So I just wanted to show you how easy. That's why I like these things. Look, just pops out. No struggle. No peeling papers. Okay, so as you can see, we got a bunch of chocolate chips in there. I didn't put that many in there, I didn't think, but anyway. These would be good with peanut butter on them or something like that. They turned out really delicious. They're healthy. Tastes good. Well, anyway, without further ado, this is Mr. Dan saying if you never had one of these, you need to try it. They're pretty dense. I mean, they're nice, but I got some weight to them. I don't know if that's the oatmeal or, but anyway, they're good. Give you something to snack on in the evening, snack in the morning, have a little brunch. Very good, very nice. Okay, so I really cannot wait till this COVID stuff is over, but you know, trying to help everybody out. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands all the time. When you're out and about, get you some of that sanitizing spray or gel. Come out of a store before you do anything else. Spray that stuff, wash them, head on home. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's a nice one of these banana oatmeal muffins. And as usual, if you give me a like, thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and when you do, that's all you got to do. But if you haven't yet, when you subscribe, the notification bell will pop up. You hit that, that'll notify you each time we have another video. And as usual, the description for all this that we just did today will be down in the description box below. And as usual, my friends, stay hungry, and when you are, we'll come back and we'll give you another one of these here muffin recipes. This is Mr. Dan saying, we're out for now.